In this video, I will demonstrate using the Security Toolkit extension. The Security Toolkit adds a set of security tools for a ConnectWise control instance or installation. The toolkit includes 4 key features. You can delete all queued commands and toolbox items, enable an HTTP to HTTPS redirect for on-premises installations, use it to prevent search indexing of your site, and add security HTTP headers. To use all of the features of this extension, a user role must have these 2 permissions: Administer and Remove Command from Session. The Security Toolkit is pre-installed on all new instances. You can access the Settings menu from the Administrator extension page. First, if a machine is offline, when a technician runs a command or a toolbox item on it, the event is queued and run when the machine is back online. In the event your instance is compromised, you can quickly delete all queued commands using this extension. To do this, click the Extras menu, select Delete All Queued Commands. Then click Confirm. All queued events will be removed from the Timeline, Information tab, and Commands tab. Next, you can enable automatic HTTPS redirection if you're hosting your own server. If you're hosted in the cloud, this redirect is already enabled for you. After you've binded an SSL certificate to port 443, you can enable this redirect to automatically force your users to use HTTPS instead of HTTP. For detailed instructions on how to configure this setting on your web.config file, please see our KB article linked below. Third, by adding your own robots text instructions, you can help prevent search engines from indexing your site. This can help prevent your site from being exposed to anyone searching for a list of ConnectWise control sites. There are 2 robot settings: robots file text and robots tag string. For detailed instructions on configuring this from the Extension Settings menu, visit our KB article on the Security Toolkit linked below. Finally, you can also add security HTTP headers. HTTP headers can prevent cross-site scripting and code injection attacks by only allowing approved content sources on your instance. For examples, please visit our KB article on the Security Toolkit linked below. This concludes the Security Toolkit extension video. To learn more, be sure to visit our documentation at connectwise.com/controldocs. Thanks!